That was fun.
Oh no!
We're almost there.
Up next, we
That's actually a very good question. It's actually the same reason.
So I found out about the internship program through my university. Republic often partners with Butler University with just some events and some career fairs, but also on a personal note, I had a sorority sister actually do the marketing and communications internship last spring. So she was kind of talking to me about her experience and she had nothing but good things to say, so I wanted to interview.
So I chose to be an intern at Republic because they were in the airline industry. Republic does a really good job mentoring their interns and just giving them a broad view of the company as a whole and making sure they're connected and they're performing well. It's not like, oh, here's a project, I'll see you in a month. No, I meet with my mentor every week. If I'm having a problem with my project, I can talk with my supervisor. He gets back to me super fast. So it's been really nice to have that community and that connectedness to the rest of the company.
The way that this internship is set up, where you are fully in the work experience, you're not just in a room of interns, your projects aren't teams of interns, you're actually on teams with your managers and with full-time associates here at Republic, has really allowed me to gain confidence in myself and my own abilities, being able to recognize that I'm not just an intern and I have a strong skill set and I can speak up in a meeting, even if it's a meeting of managers.
I'm a campus recruiter and my role with the internship program is to recruit students to participate as well as attend different events on campus and to really promote Republic, and then also managing the day-to-day operations within the program, including onboarding and then in between and then offboarding. We provide an environment for them to all to interact and mingle with one another and really gain those hopefully long-lasting relationships. And throughout the program, we also provide different lunch and learns so our interns can have the opportunity to gain more knowledge about Republic's other business operations. And then we also have check-in points with them to make sure they're doing okay and that they can address any concerns or anything that they like to bring up.
So throughout the internship, I've kind of been shadowing our new hire orientations, and I've just recently started conducting them myself. So I've conducted a couple first officer pilot orientations, some flight attendant orientations, as well as corporate and lift academy orientations. So those have been really fun, and it's kind of strengthened my public speaking skills for sure. Just getting comfortable in front of a crowd and being that like first fresh face that they see and the first impression of Republic has been really fun.
We did a recent tour to the lift and Indianapolis hangars for Republic, where we were able to sit in the aircraft that our lift pilots are trained in. We were able to talk to those mechanics and technicians, which is what I really loved because that's what I want to pursue, and getting to see what it looks like to be a technician and mechanic on a small aircraft like our pilots are flying when they're training, and on a large Republic aircraft because we got to go into one of those hangars, sit in the cockpit, and interact with those technicians as well.
So one of my favorite experiences so far was last week we went to the lift hangar and the maintenance hangar and in our training center, and that was really cool because I was just spending time with the interns all day. I wasn't doing any real work, which, yeah, I wasn't doing any accounting work that day, but I was getting a better idea of what we do as a company as a whole. So I was able to do my projects more efficiently, and I really enjoyed that just because having that knowledge of how we're operating, I think has allowed me to be more effective in my role. So I don't know what my future entails yet, but I'm excited to see where Republic takes me.